AI is not replacing creators. It is exposing unoriginal ones. That sentence, from one of the most closely watched content analysts in 2026, is the most important strategic intelligence any creator or business owner can receive right now. Because here is what is actually happening in the content economy. AI chatbots generated 55.2 billion visits in a single year, up 80.9% year on year. Generic content farms are collapsing. Cookie-cutter blog posts are invisible. Templated social media content is ignored. And simultaneously, the most specific, most original, most experience-driven content is commanding more attention, more trust, and more commercial value than at any point in history. The post-search economy is not the death of content. It is the death of content that AI can already do better, and the birth of a market premium for content that AI structurally cannot produce. This briefing is the map to that premium. What AI cannot replace? Precisely. AI can generate content, but it cannot replace human thinking and experience. That statement sounds obvious. Most people nod and move on without extracting the strategic intelligence inside it. Let us extract it precisely. AI cannot replace 4 specific content properties. Each one is a commercial opportunity. Property 1. Verified lived experience. AI can describe what it is like to build a business from zero. It can compile research on entrepreneurship. It can produce a statistically accurate summary of founder experiences. What it cannot produce is your specific experience, the decision you made at month 4 that changed everything, the client conversation that reframed your entire model, the failure that taught you what no course covers. Even storytelling content performs well when it is real. Emotion plus experience equals connection. That equation, emotion plus experience equals connection, is the formula that the post-search economy rewards at premium rates. And it is the formula that no AI model can produce from inside a data center. Property 2. Real-time judgment. AI is trained on historical data. Its knowledge has a cutoff. Its analysis is based on patterns from the past. The architect who publishes precise, timely intelligence on developments that happened in the last 48 hours, with original analysis, original framing, and original implications for a specific audience, is producing something that AI cannot replicate by definition. Real-time judgment on current events, filtered through a specific worldview, delivered to a specific audience, is the highest value content in the post-search economy. It is also exactly what this channel produces every week. And it is why the audience that chooses precision over volume will always find their way here. Property 3. Accountable point of view. AI produces balanced summaries. It presents multiple perspectives. It hedges every conclusion with caveats. This is not a weakness of AI. It is a design constraint. AI cannot be accountable for a position the way a human who has skin in the game can be. The architect who takes a clear, documented, accountable position, who says this is what I believe, this is why I believe it, and this is what I am personally doing about it, is producing content that AI is constitutionally unable to replicate. Accountability creates trust. Trust creates audience. Audience creates sovereign income. Property 4. Community and co-creation. AI can generate content. It cannot generate the conversation that happens around content. The questions your audience asks, the pushback they give, the insights they add, the community that forms around a specific worldview and becomes a compounding asset in its own right. That community is not a feature of your content. It is the content. And it is the most defensible moat in the post-search economy. The 3 positions that win. Gartner predicts traditional search volume drops 25% by 2026 as AI handles more queries directly. Publishers expect Google traffic to decline an average of 43% over the next 3 years. The content that survives and thrives in this environment occupies one of 3 positions. Position 1. The primary source. AI systems cite sources. They surface authoritative original research. They reference the people who documented something first, verified something directly, or experienced something personally. The architect who becomes a primary source, who publishes original research, original data, original case studies from their own operations, is not competing with AI. They are being cited by it. That citation is the most valuable distribution mechanism in the post-search economy, because AI platforms are sending users directly to primary sources when they want depth. First move, document one original finding from your own business or practice this week. A specific number, a specific outcome, a specific observation nobody else has published. Publish it. Claim the primary source position. Position 2. The trusted interpreter. Most people cannot read a Goldman Sachs research report and extract what it means for their specific situation. The trusted interpreter does that translation, precisely, consistently, and in the voice that a specific audience has chosen to trust. This is the content arbitrage engine operating at its highest level, not summarizing information, interpreting it through a specific lens for a specific audience with specific stakes. The trusted interpreter is not replaced by AI because AI cannot replicate the lens. The lens is built from years of consistent, accountable, experience-driven publishing. It takes time to build. It cannot be copied. And once built, it compounds indefinitely. Position 3. The community anchor. The creator or business that owns the conversation in a specific niche. That is the place people go to discuss, debate, and develop their thinking on a topic, owns an asset that no search engine and no AI chatbot can replace. Because the value is not the information, it is the people. Building the community anchor position requires one thing above all others: consistency of worldview over time. Not consistency of posting frequency, consistency of perspective. The audience must always know what you stand for before they read a word. That recognition, that instant brand identification, is what transforms a content channel into a community anchor. And community anchors do not lose traffic to AI search. They gain it, because AI search surfaces communities where the depth of human conversation exceeds what any single piece of content delivers. The verdict. The post-search economy is not a threat to the architect who understands it. It is a market-clearing event that eliminates the competition that was never truly competing with you anyway. Generic content farms, templated social media operators, SEO-optimized content mills producing volume without precision. All of them lose in the post-search economy. The more AI content increases, the less generic content works. And the more generic content loses, the more valuable original, specific, experience-driven, accountable, community-anchored content becomes. You are not building content in a dying market. You are building in a market that is actively purging your competition. 4 properties AI cannot replace. 3 positions that win. 1 consistent worldview that compounds. Own the content AI cannot produce. The post-search economy rewards it. Drop a comment below. Tell me which position you are building toward. Source, interpreter, anchor. 1 word. Your public commitment to the content that compounds. Subscribe for weekly intelligence that gives you the raw material, the primary source data, the real-time judgment, the accountable perspective that feeds your position in the post-search economy. Share this with one creator who is worried about AI replacing their content. They are asking the wrong question. The right question is which content AI has made more valuable, not less. Subscribe. Own your position. Transmission concluded.